Welcome to the question of the day. I am Raman, your tutor from Alberta Real Estate School. In this video, we will break down the question and I'll help you understand how to answer the question that Rika will ask you on the exam. So let's dive in.
Let's take a look at today's practice question. Today's question is, which of the following statements best describes the concept of confidential information? It is the information that the brokerage has deemed to be confidential. It is information individuals identify to others as being confidential. It may include both personal and business information. Or it is not readily available information that may have some sort of value. Our options are statement 1 and 2, statement 2 and 3, statements 2 and 4, or statements 3 and 4. And the correct answer is D, statements 3 and 4. So in this question, the first option here, it is the information that the brokerage has deemed to be confidential. The confidential information is not up to the brokerage to decide. They do not decide which information is confidential. So in terms of confidential information, all the private information, anything that will identify an individual is considered confidential information. In addition to that, in real estate, there are other things that will be considered confidential. For example, why somebody wants to buy the property. So the motivation for somebody to buy the property or to sell the property, the price they're willing to accept for the property, or how much a buyer is willing to pay for the property. All this type of information is considered confidential. And this is not up to the brokerage to decide. This is how it has been set up. So in this case, the first option is not correct. And the second one, it is information individuals identify to others as being confidential. Again, this puts the onus on the individual to identify whether that information is confidential or not. So that is not the case when we are dealing with information. Third one is it may include both personal and business information. So this option is correct. Personal information like the name of the person, their financial information, their phone number, email address, all this information is considered confidential information, and we are required to protect it as per the privacy legislation. In terms of the business information, some of the information would not be considered confidential. For example, the position of the person, name of the person, the website address, their business phone number. This information is readily available on the website and hence it is not considered confidential information. However, other information like assets and liabilities of the business, their financials, this type of information would be considered confidential information because it is not readily available. So fourth option, where this is not readily available information, that is correct. So confidential information tends to be information that has value. For example, business liabilities and assets, there's value in knowing that their client list, all that information is considered confidential information, and we won't find that on the internet anywhere, or we won't be able to just discover it in the public domain. So that's why options 3 and 4 are correct. So the correct answer in this case would be D. So that's it for today. If you would like some extra help in passing your Alberta real estate exam, I invite you to visit our website. So that's it for today. If you would like some extra help in passing your Alberta real estate licensing exams, I invite you to check out our website, www.albertarealestateschool.com, or you can give me a call at 587-936-7779.
Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like some sample questions, make sure you click the link below and I will email them to you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.